Nanotechnology. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the latest technology that deals with science and engineering to make products that have their sizes in nanometers. A nanometer is a 1 billionth part of a meter. The products of nanotechnology can be ranged between 1 to 100 nanometers. It is the near atomic scale manipulation of matter to create new structures, materials, and gadgets. The technique promises scientific improvement in a variety of fields, including medical, consumer goods, energy, materials, and manufacturing. Significance: nanoscience and nanotechnology are the study and application of extremely small things, atoms, and they can be applied to all other science subjects, including chemistry, biology, physics, materials, science, and engineering. Who gave the idea of nanotechnology? The ideas and concepts that form the basis of nanoscience and nanotechnology started with physicist Richard Feynman talk titled "There is Plenty of Room at the Bottom" on December 29, 1959, at an American Physical Society meeting at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech. Long before the term nanotechnology was used, Feynman described a method in which scientists would be able to manage and control individual atoms and molecules in his address, which tools helped in the introduction of nanotechnology. The ability to observe and control individual atoms and molecules is fundamental to nanoscience and nanotechnology. Atoms make up everything on Earth, including the food we consume, the clothes we wear, the structure and houses we live in, and our bodies. However, anything as little as an atom is invisible to the naked eye. The microscopes commonly used in high school science classes make it hard to see. In the early 1980s, the microscopes required to see things at the nanoscale were invented. The age of nanotechnology was born when scientists got the necessary equipment, such as the Scanning Tunneling Microscope (STM) and the Atomic Force Microscope (AFM). The invention of these microscopes helped to introduce nanotechnology, which has then revolutionized the world. Who coined the term nanotechnology? Professor Norio Taniguchi introduced the term nanotechnology more than a decade later while researching ultra-precision machining. Modern nanotechnology did not begin until 1981 with the invention of the Scanning Tunneling Microscope, which could see individual atoms. Products of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has been used in a variety of industries. It has produced very significant products listed below. Number 1. Carbon nanotube body armor. Number 2. Surface protection materials. Number 3. Solar panels. Number 4. Food products and packaging. Number 5. Transdermal patches. Number 6. Bandages. Number 7. Computers. Number 8. Sunscreen. Number 9. Tennis balls. Number 10. Coatings of car paintwork, etc. How nanotechnology was used in the past. Even though modern nanoscience and nanotechnology are relatively new, nanomaterials have been used for centuries. Colors in medieval church-stained glass windows were made hundreds of years ago by alternate-sized gold and silver particles. The artists did not realize it at the time, but the procedure they used to create these stunning works of art caused changes in the composition of the materials they were working with. In this way, nanotechnology was being used long before we had the concepts of its basics. Future of nanotechnology. Scientists and engineers are developing a wide range of nanoscale materials to make use of their enhanced features such as better strength, lower weight, greater control over the light spectrum, and the higher chemical reactivity than their larger scale equipments. Nanotechnology engineering can be used by scientists to create drugs that target specific cells in the body or materials that can grow artificial organs. Nanotechnology. through inventions such as molecular water filtration and self-cleaning materials, can also be used to improve sustainability and access to natural resources. With nanotech catalysts that extract carbon dioxide from the air and rearrange it into compounds usable in industry, we can clean up air pollution, including greenhouse gases. This research is being carried out by Christian Schaffmeister of Temple University, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA.